Before birth, Hinna made the intention to dedicate her child to the service of Allah. After birth, despite it being against the norm, she still decided to fulfill her oath to dedicate her child to the worship of Allah, and then sealed it by naming her daughter Maryam, the servant of my Lord. When you think about it, so much goodness comes from these heartfelt and sincere du'as, all stemming from the du'a for a child, and du'a asking her child and progeny to be protected from shaitan. I have named her Maryam, and I seek your protection for her and her offspring from shaitan the accursed, as she says in the Quran. Never underestimate how far your dua can go. Allah gives with endless generosity beyond our imagination. Remembering that answering our dua sometimes is generously answered by not being fulfilled in the way we asked. This is one of the most difficult aspects of Allah's wisdom to accept at times. Why aren't we getting married to that individual? Why aren't I able to have children? Why am I not able to get into this university or get this job? And so on. Although Hinna did not explicitly make dua for a son, it is what she wanted so that she could dedicate him to the service of Allah, which again was more practical for men at the time. But Allah gave her much more than what she expected. A righteous daughter in her own right, miracles being bestowed upon her, forever memorialized in the Quran, and then Isa alayhi salam, one of the most righteous men to ever walk this earth, bestowed with miracles upon miracles and set to come back to this earth. So since her grandson's book is not yet sealed, therefore hers is not either.